and weave, bob and weave.
Want a chance? No. Hop out the whip and I'm fresh. Don't want your chick, she a mess. Got my foot on their neck. Low when they cutting my check. Want a car bulletproof like a vest. I'm not taking a rest.
Anytime you're ready.
I've been working, won't pick up the
Mic
phone
check 1 2. Alright, microphone check 1 2. So let's go. Morning time. Should I reach already, but I don't know Paradise go bike show last night and couldn't wake up this morning. So we have my boss here, so my boss Eddie on him 4 bills, where him shipped down 4 bills Kawasaki. I think it's a 2018, no, or 22, dude, I don't remember. So we are on our way to Helshire. It's currently ratted me not my watch. Oh my god, I hate not having my watch. Jaja, but it's after 9 in the morning. So we are going over Helshire and 4 more. Guys, just go and enjoy the ride, you know? Enjoy the journey. Need to full my gas tank. We are really doing this. And if you remember, say in a lack of indicator. I remember when he reached down, so. Just pass a vehicle look up in our Porsche a while ago. Me did try record it, but it looked like the camera never start until I pass. Sure. That sucked. Telling you something. Well, man, sometimes you not happy. You see, in life we depend on people too much. As in, if we are go somewhere, we want somebody follow it. That's bad, you know. Yeah, man. In life, a lot of us want somebody to always do it we do it. And it's not really like a workout so all the time. Because right now me and him are just a 2 way alone, and if me never go, him alone would have go. rev it to the limit, you know, man. Yeah. So him are the type of person where you see when him are gone away, him go alone. Because a lot of times you depend on people. You depend on people, brother. And everybody have their own life, so and everybody are able to go everywhere where you are go. So you just have to make certain decisions and go at it alone. That will be me next year. The only thing that bike I want, right? Oh, the only thing that bike I want is a broader back tire. Broader back tire would have give, man. That's all. Whoa, that's all would have give. Bike have a fly and neutral. Watch it. Bike a fly and neutral, brother. The oil want change. And they want tap up. Bob and weave, bob and weave. So that might be nice for riding, brother. Nice for ride, because it just have the power. In other countries, them say a beginner bike, but out here, definitely not. My bike I send it. Oh, no. And watch this tap out. Play catch up. This is sweet. Oh gosh, we just keep the camera right up. It's sweet like sugar water.
Yeah, I be dolo, but I told her bring all her friends, get a check and I spend in advance. Too many baddies, so out the whip and I'm fresh. Don't want your chick, she a mess, got my foot on they neck. Low when they cutting my check, want a car bulletproof like a vest, I'm not taking a rest. Swear I just been in my zone lately. I've been working, won't pick up the phone lately. And it's been lit cause I do what I want lately. Tryna argue, I'm good on my own lately. Rest so you know it gon' squeal. My life moving fast, so I don't got time to heal. Independent, ain't signing no deal. They say I'm a star cause I'm shining for real. Yeah. Go with these hoods like I'm Shaq and Kareem. No, I'm not stupid, she been for the team. Niggas know if it's turn, you see me on the scene. Pop out my feet is all right like the bean. She wanna come back, whatever that means. I hate the cat cause I see through the screen. Call that little nigga Curry, he scoring with threes. Yeah. I think I'll be okay. I've been stacking my chips like it's Frito-Lays. And I don't wanna see no hate. That they love it, been fake, wanna see that face. I'm going fast in my life that I had to scoot over and chill and go over a lane. Swear the same niggas that hated my music in middle school be in my DM, they lame. I used to be known for breaking the rules. I pray to God I can't end up a fool. Lately been taken, I used to be chill with some people that hated my music in school.
Anyone buy some gas? Wanna buy some gas? Wanna buy some gas? Wanna buy some gas? So when you reach out more gas. So when you reach out to the next gas station, buy some gas. Alright. What? Alright. Wanna go? Alright. Oh my guys, I just did a quick test ride on this Ninja 400. Huh? Yeah man, it's sharp. It alone me I use. It alone. Yeah. Alright guys, I will be posting the review on that bike. Honestly, it's not even a review, it's just a first ride. It's basically just a first ride. It's not really a review. my first experience. You dig me? Whoa! much I feel? Oh boy, some of that is a Rastafari. Bombard, oh that. She a good though. Bike sound like it Fully! Where I go? Where I go? Where I park? Eh? Alright. Woo! Dog said dance. So now that's a take your frig. They say all if yeah. His son take your frig. Yeah, I told man. Right, that's so. Oh, boss, you won't need a stone too, you know. Yeah. Nah, do nothing still, bro.
Every time. I'm very rare, I'm going to catch you
Independent, they sound a little down. They say I'm a star cause I'm shining for real. Yeah. Go with these hoods like I'm Shaq and Kareem. No, I'm not stupid, she been for the team. Niggas know if it's time you see me on the scene. Pop on my feet is all right like the bean. She wanna come back, whatever that means. I hate the cat cause I see through the screen. Call that little nigga Curry, he scoring with threes. Yeah. I think I'll be okay. I've been stacking my chips.